Welcome. I am the one and the only narrator for Mr. Tackpans. There's no one in line, but if there was, I just have to let go my seat and let go my ego. This is what I want to talk about. Since I'm telling you and told you and mentioned to what I thought about this year, it's all about the triangle, the Pontiac triangle, the single point of the 5-point star. The 5-point star, the 6 points of the Magen David, and the 7-point center of the Magen David to the 6-point center of the 5-point star, the spirit of 76. Voila. Second thing I want to mention is that 1 times 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1, 3, and 4. 3 and 4 make 7. 3, 4, and 1 make 8. Now what you do with this is go 3, 1, and 4. Why do we do 3, 1, and 4? We take the center, okay, because there is no 1 inside the 4, and we do need the 1. And the 1 fits, okay, the 1 fits inside the 3. If you look at the 3 dice, okay, and then the 4 dice comes in, and it reflects connecting to the 6 dice, which is, let me see, which is on this side. So what you do now is 3 plus 4 is 7. Now you have 3 and 4 is 7. 3 and 4, the opposites, 7 on the dice, so they connect. 3 times 4 is 12. 1, which plays inside 6, inside the 2 worlds. You see that the angle of this, it's not this, it's this, 2 worlds. There's no dots. If you flip it to this side, this is where the 2 and the 1 come into play. But it comes the 2 and the 3 dice, creating the 5 dice. Nothing is left over. That's where we end up having the rationality for Y3 and Y4 when the totality of the 2 are inside the 5. 3 and 4, 7 are inside 5. Now what we do is we have 1, 3, and 4. Now 3 by 4 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. Back to the beginning again. 1 plus 3. Why 1 plus 3? Because 7 is the opposite and the ranger for 10. 3 and 7 is 10. 1 and 9 is 10. We have 1, 3, and 4. Now 1 represents the 9-birth spirit and the 6th man. 1 and 6 is 7, 1 and 9 is 10, the total is 17. The 3, like we said, we started with 1 and 3 are 13 or 31. 3 reflects 4, which is Earth and Mars, making it the 7 worlds. And 7 and 3 make 10 for the 10 worlds. 7, 3, and 4 make 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 9 and 6 is 15. And 1 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 5. 5 and 7. 1 and 3 create 57 and 75. Next year is 57, 75. Now if I take this one step further, the 7, okay, reflects the 6. 6 and 7 is 13, creating a 4. The 4 connects to the 9. 9 and 4 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 44, Barack Obama. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 7, 9. 4 and 4, odd and even. And then the 5 in the center. The 5 in the center, you have to understand, when it's on this angle between 1, 5, and 9, the angles are usually longer than from below and above. So it's more like 1.5 in space than 1 in space. Regardless, it all depends on how everything connects on their angles. So now we have 7 and 6, 4 and 9, which is a total of 26. And if we add up the numbers on the other side, the total will be 29 and 26. 26 and 19. And how do we get 19? And now I have to go all the way back to the beginning again. 1 and 9 is 19. 1 plus 9 is 10, becomes 1 again. It's 19 and it's 1. They interplay with each other. Anyways, there is nothing less than 4 got 10. If 4 got 10, that means it's 14. Or if you read it backwards, Net to go for. Net to go for means I am man 6 and I'm going 4. Anyways, that's just a fool around. Another thing I was thinking before I let you go is, why is the breathing so much more difficult when you go up on a mountain? Is it because it snows? Does it happen everywhere, or does it just happen where it's cold? And my end result is somehow the electricity is higher and stronger in the sky, screwing you up inside your body, and that's why it doesn't work. It's made that way. There's an excuse for it not being able to breathe in certain places, but the excuse is more scientific inside creation other than natural evolution. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Did you understand what I said? It's all about 1, 3, and 4. Another thing I wanted to show you is the Illuminati showed 2 V's. 1 V this way, 1 V that way. The Magen David is here. I shoved in the center the empty spot where the beehive is. I just divided it equally as pi. I end up with 3 X's. Remove the roof, the V of the roof. Remove the bottom. I got 3 X's versus 2 X's. This would equal 30. This would equal 60 in bowling. Put the 2 together, you get 90. 0 is valued at 15. 9 by 15 is 135. A, C, and E in letters. 135 degree to the 9th position. Same birth. 2 times 135 is 270, plus 2 times 1.5 is 3 for creation, is 273 days, 39 weeks for a birth cycle to happen, which is January to the end of September, but it can't happen on January 1st, because there was only one thing that happened, and it was God. And on the second day, it was God. He had to make 3 moves, 3 levels, 3 stairs, 3 walkways. So it couldn't happen until January 3rd, and then the last firstborn would end up on October 4th, or if we went January 1st to September 30th, the middle of the next week is usually what the answer is. That's when the birth was. Again, we're on October 4th. As the Mayans say, after October, the first 5 days of October are unlucky. What is the reason for that? Was it because of the infiltration of the angel residents coming from the new world of Jew? Thank you very much.